Hi friends, I'm Mira. Today, we are going to make a strawberry cake. We need flour, eggs, pastry cream, sugar, strawberries, and a bowl to mix the ingredients. Yum yum! Let's crack the eggs. 1, 2, plop! Sprinkle the sugar, nice and sweet. Let's mix sugar and egg. Flour time, so fluffy. Let's pour the mix into the cake pan. Time to get baking. So yummy! Let's add the pink frosting. And strawberries. Wow, so yummy and pretty. Goodbye.